How can I break out of multiple loops? Given the following code, that doesn't work. Is there a way to make this work? Or do I have to do one check to break out of the input loop, then another, more limited, check in the outside loop to break out altogether if the user is satisfied?
First, ordinary logic is helpful. If, for some reason, the terminating conditions can't be worked out, exceptions are a fallback plan. For this specific example, an exception may not be necessary. On the other hand, we often have Y, N, and Q options in character mode applications. For the Q option, we want an immediate exit. That's more exceptional.
My first instinct would be to refactor the nested loop into a function and use return to break out.
PEP 3136 proposes label break/continue. Guido rejected it because code so complicated to require this feature is very rare. The PEP does mention some workarounds, though, such as the exception technique, while Guido feels refactoring to use return will be simpler in most cases.
Here's another approach that is short. The disadvantage is that you can only break the outer loop, but sometimes it's exactly what you want. This uses the for-else construct explained at why does Python use else after for and while loops. Key insight, it only seems as if the outer loop always breaks. But if the inner loop doesn't break, the outer loop won't either. The continue statement is the magic here. It's in the for-else clause. By definition, that happens if there's no inner break. In that situation, continue neatly circumvents the outer break.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.